Hi, here's a quick look at our admin interface overhaul. You can now find all your booking channels by clicking on the button in the top right corner of your Simply Book Me account. You can also access the point of sale interface here if you're using this feature. Menu items now expand to the right to offer a more practical layout. You can find direct links to manage a number of custom features you may be using, alongside service, staff, and client management. The Reports menu also features a new simplified look and layout. The Time Settings menus, where you can configure your schedules, are accessible via the Settings menu. This menu also features access to account and other general settings. You can find a new Booking Widgets page with separate tabs for each respective widget. Finally, all help-related resources can be accessed via the Help menu. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.